Where you vote depends on where you live. 27 Investigates uncovered information about where registered sex offenders are assigned to cast their ballots. Damon Maloney explains why certain assignments may put children's safety in jeopardy.
Casting a ballot for a lot of folks means going to a precinct located inside a school during the day when children are learning.
That's their turf, and that's where they feel safe.
Ohio law doesn't stop sex offenders from voting in schools, yet many registered sex offenders are banned from living within 1,000 feet of child daycare centers, preschools, and schools. Prosecutors say there's too much risk allowing them near or in schools where other people's minor children are present.
There is a recidivism rate that is concerning when it comes to sex offenders. It's illogical. It defies logic, I think. I think we need to be proactive and not wait for in a situation where a child is victimized.
Natasha Nadel has prosecuted some of the most heinous sex crimes involving child victims in Mahoning County, and she's also studied the MO of sexual predators.
It can be subtle, slight, psychological, emotionally powerful. Defendants have stated where it's something to where it's even impulsive. It's something they have difficulty controlling.
And she worries about the numbers I uncovered while digging through pages upon pages of the State of Ohio Sex Offender Registry online and then voter registrations. According to the Attorney General's website, there's about 179 registered sex offenders in Youngstown. This election cycle, at least 9 are registered voters assigned to a school precinct. In Warren, at least 10 are assigned to a school location, and in Salem, the number is about 1. We know some registered sex offenders have cast in-person ballots in recent years, but not necessarily at the polling place they're assigned to now, because home addresses can change, as can precincts. But Nadel and one lawmaker feel sex offenders don't belong in schools, and they want to tighten up what they consider to be a loophole.
We've sat down and talked about drafting a new law that would prevent them from doing that, which would put sex offenders where they would have to vote at the Board of Elections or vote by absentee ballot.
Other states, including Illinois, require sex offenders to vote early or use absentee ballots. Nadel and Sean O'Brien say if Ohio followed in similar footsteps, it would protect voter rights and better protect children when they leave home, bound for a productive day at school. Damon Maloney for 27 Investigates.
Now, it likely wouldn't be until next year before any type of legislation is introduced. And right now on WKBN.com, we have a link to Ohio Sex Offender Registry. You can track sex offenders living anywhere in the state.